Hi everyone, I am Bill from Tyvok. In this issue, we will introduce the first installation of the Y-axis beam and explain some precautions. We take out the Y-axis beam from box A and make sure the beam rolling strip is intact. Pay special attention not to cut the rolling strip. Cutting the rolling strip in advance will damage the linear guide slider. Now let's insert the beam module into the frame. Next, let me install the Y-axis beam connecting block. Sometimes we find that the screw holes are not aligned and the screws cannot be installed. We can loosen the 3 screws next to it without removing it. Then insert the wrench into the screw hole. Make sure to insert it into the connection block and then shake the wrench. You can see that the screw holes of the connection block are moving. After they are basically aligned, the screw installation can be completed. Screw in 3 turns, no need to tighten. Next, we will adjust the gap at the joint. Lift the Y-axis beam module upwards and you can see the gap is disappearing. When the gap almost disappears, or the upper and lower gaps are the same size, tighten the screws of the connecting block. Don't forget that there are rack screws that need to be installed here. Use a cross screwdriver to tighten it. Because the screw is small, be extra careful when tightening it. If it is broken, you can remove a screw from another part of the rack and use it. The same operation is performed on the other end to complete the installation of the connecting block screws. Everything is ready. Now cut the Y-axis beam strip. Push the Y-axis beam away from the initial maintenance position and into the working area. Next, we will further align the maintenance position rails. Loosen the linear guide fixing screws. No need to remove. The linear guide can shake slightly after being released. Locate the pressure plate or a flat metal plate flush against the bottom surface of the linear guide. Press the metal plate and the linear guide rails together. Make sure the 2 linear guide rails are flush and then tighten the screws. After confirming that it is flat, tighten the other 2 screws. If the linear guide screw holes are not aligned and the screws cannot be installed, please contact our after-sales service and we will help you solve it as soon as possible. Adjust the other side in the same way. Install the bottom connector screws in the same way. If the mounting holes are not aligned, loosen all the screws on the connector and adjust the hole positions. Install the frame legs and cables. Start the test. For the first test, please use a speed of 1000 mm and a laser power of 10%. Check the test results and complete the test. If any abnormality occurs, please contact after sales immediately.